All right, hey gang, Nate Bear here, lead technical tactician for Monument Traders Alliance and Trade of the Day. And in this week's video, I just want to sort of update you on the indexes, where we're at, where we're potentially headed, and then show you a sweet chart setup that I am in, and I would like to add more to this name tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, we'll see, but really nice looking chart setup. So let's just dive right in. Now, again, this is the same old story, right? We are up here near plus 3 ATR. The markets are extended, but that doesn't mean that they're going to fall apart. Okay. Do we need a pullback? Yes, we need a pullback. Does that mean we're going to get a pullback in a period of time that we can predict it and benefit from it? No, it doesn't. It's going to pull back whenever it pulls back. And until that happens, I'm long and I'm just continuing to rinse and repeat. Find a bullish setup, play it in a bullish way, rinse and repeat. All right. And in the Qs, it's the same thing, right? So, we talked about being extended. Here we were extended. We needed a pullback. We got our pullback and then, new highs. This is the story until something changes. And I tell you what, if these names don't change, NVIDIA here is just insane. It's over 700 after hours today, but the semis are leading things higher, and until they back off, I don't see a bearish case that can really be made until the semis back off. Now, once that happens, okay, but until that happens, I'm long, like I said, and I'm just going to keep buying the dips. Now, speaking of a bullish setup, check this chart out. This is WDAY, WDAY, WDAY. Now, I'm going to go and actually mark this level right here. This is the all-time high. Looking back at a weekly chart, and let me just label this all-time high. And now if we zoom in to the daily, we can say, hey, well, there's no red dots here, Nate. What's up with that? Well, you're right. There's not red dots on the daily, but on the 195-minute chart, we have a beautiful setup. And what I'm looking at here is basically a bull flag that is being formed and constructed just underneath the all-time high. So let's zoom back out. Let's go see, hey, when are their earnings? Oh, look at that. They're coming up, end of February. So what do we normally do? Well, let's go over to WDAY. We will pull up the option chain and we can go out past this earnings date, February 29th. So, probably the thing that makes the most sense is to just go out to the monthly options for the month of March, excuse me. And I like these $300 calls, a little bit out of the money, but the $300 calls for a move up into new highs into earnings on February 29th. All right, so that's the plan. That's what I'd like to do. I may start scaling into these as early as tomorrow for a run higher to new fresh highs in WDAY. All right, that's what I've got for this week. I hope it helps, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.